Okay, quick Friday morning sunny radar update. So we're through the opening range on all but the FTSE 100. We've got gaps, mind the gap, as we always say. We've got gaps in the market. Held up yesterday after just closing the gap on the DAX there. Let's see what's in the charts. Just a quick one. I've closed the trading bases to new members. So much work I'm trying to get done in the background. You know, when the market's ready, I don't want to be still doing editing my new sort of management spreadsheets, and there's a lot I want to do in the website as well. I just want to get all the index trend model, the historical data from the index trend model and the 350 trend model. I'm doing that today. I'll go back 3 years probably, might go back a bit further, but I'm trying to get that just in order on a new spreadsheet, what's easier to upload with all the data in, so you can see the whole timeline of that, and then I'll load it into the members area of the website on the index trend model. I'm going to sort of breeze through the members area and just add the. I know we've got market crash screen grabs in there, what you can view and see how the trend models, pulled us into cash in through bad times and pulled us into the market in good times. It's already in there, but I'm just going to try and get the full history there, so you can sort of get a kind of judgment of it. And also it'll give us a better sort of view of the 350 trend model being a leading indicator, as we've chatted about a few times. Pete's mentioned it a few times, and we've always sort of questioned whether to believe it, but it's pulled us out of the market. Well, it's led the decline a couple of times in recent years, hasn't it? So that's what I'm doing in the background. Just so busy, spreading myself extremely thin. Summer's on its way. Need to get some work done. It's the best decision I could make, really. So let's jump straight into the volume leaders and see what's in there today. Rip through these and then straight back at it. It is 10:20. We should have traded 27% to be on average volume. Yeah, there's a few in there today. Aerospace, investment trusts. We the theme we've come into this week with is kind of, well, since a couple of days ago, is these monthly sticks are quite important to the big players in the market, and how do they want to sort of deal with the monthlies closing in a very horrible area? Are they going to defend those areas? So far, so good. Let's just see how they look at the end of today. Should really bust through those as well at the end of this video. So let's just have a see what's on volume today. RSC continues. I would call it a trail point if it can break out there, as we say, for those who are riding it. It's been going since plus 100% from the base. Not bad, is it? OSB, first pullback from all-time highs. Kind of choppy trading stock, this, and not really a stock I'd trade a base on, but this one did work all right, didn't it? And AEP, no forward on this. I didn't really have an opinion on this one, did I? Nor this one, really. This is kind of your mature sort of sloth-like numbers, growth stock. Coates Group. decelerating on the turnover, small tick up, so it's not going to be that exciting, is it? At DWF, this is a return to growth. Not high on the list for that reason, but not exactly trending very strongly either at the moment, though you don't know how anything's going to act when you buy it. BCPT, I don't hold it. BCPT tick down in the forward numbers on this one, but it's a REIT. It's just pretty orderly still, isn't it? Card Factory. I'm surprised this thing hasn't gone bump. Emis, been good to us in the past. Imperial Brands, yeah. Into the small caps. 27% should have been traded to be on average volume. The theme continues, but you know, this pullback here is going to expose what's going to, you know, if it can hold, the market can hold these levels. You know, we wanted to see what the bears had. You know, if the market can hold these levels and we start to see different stocks come into these screens, it will be interesting. But at the moment, you know, it's basically the same old story. Industrial metals, oil and gas, a few precious metals in there. Obviously, we've noted where the gold price is around mean trend as well, so you might start to see a few of those. We said that yesterday, I think, and we've seen a few today. But yeah, we want to see if anything else is going to step up and start seeing growth stocks again, rather than just the blue sky walk of shame. Blue sky stocks. HUR. You know, they're all doing well, aren't they? I'm holding a few. Not seeing any of mine in the screens today. Ex-dividend on one. But in fact, the one I'm holding through ex-dividend, I wouldn't really consider it POS. But it might prove me wrong on that. As you never know, anything can hit the tape. So the sun is out. It's a great day for not being at the screens, but I'm going to be stuck at the screens. Look at the volume, what came into this one, and if you want to know how to trade these things, just ask Lester, because he's killing it. Cheers all, I'll leave it there.